Let's go over this. Who got an answer? What'd you get?
Negative I.
Raise your hand if you got negative I. Negative I is correct. How'd you find that?
I divided the exponent by 4.
So you took 23 divided by 4, and you get 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what's your remainder?
3.
And what did you do with your remainder?
I guess that since it contained 4 or 5 i's, which equal to 1, it's just 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times I to the third power, which is negative I.
So he's saying, and you see that it actually parallels what you do with exponents. The divisible by 4 is saying I to the 4th power we just learned is just 1. So all of this in green is 1. And 1 to the 5th power is just 1. And I to the 3rd power is just negative I. So that was one way to do that. Good job. Basically, I just showed you exponents here. I want to work with the easiest one here, either I to the 1st, I to the 2nd, I to the 3rd, or I to the 4th. I to the 4th is the easiest one to work with. Now here, I showed the power rule. This basically says that there are 5 of these expressions in parentheses. And then 4 times 5 is how much, class? 20. And I need to get to 3, so I get... So essentially this would be 20 plus 3. Do you see that? And then we just simplified it just like we did in that one. Did anyone use the chart? The chart is just you keep going, right? So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was the 5th one, let me see if I can try to make my chart kind of messy. So this would be I to the 6th, I to the 7th, I to the 8th. So basically what's happening is you're going from 4, 8, what would go next on that list? I to the 12th. Does that make sense? And you can figure out where 23 lands. You add 4, and you see that it's basically the same thing as divisible by 4. So I to the 11th, I to the 15th, I to the 19th, and then I to the 23rd. Does that make sense? So multiple ways that you could have figured out I to the 23rd.